Hi, good morning. I'm teacher Halcaru. I'm from Colombia, and today I would like to share some vocabulary when you are on an airplane. So we have pilot, co-pilot, hostess, window seat, aisle seat, boarding pass, seat number, upper head compartment, carry-on, life vest, seat belts, crew members, oxygen mask, and there is a phrasal verb, take off. And we also have another word, landing and luggage. So you can see some passengers in front of me and also some passengers that are behind me. It is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.